Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
My son works for the hotel and they had a party today, which I was not aware of. Suddenly at about 7:30 or something, a call came for me saying that my son is very serious in the ICU. So I said, what happened? So he said, food poisoning. So we came, rushed here and we saw. And then they were sick and we were told that there were many others, about 15 also. 15 about their staff were in the hospital.
And he had motions and vomiting and he was shivering.
Shivering also.
I don't know what kind of food he ate and what kind of food they served
They
them.
served.
Substandard food.
To be so sick. Then
How is the condition right now?
he's improved now. He's improved now. You can see him there in the hospital. And then we came, I told them I'm going to make a police complaint because this should not be repeated.
They are in general ward or something?
ICU.
ICU.
Total how many children are there?
About 15 of them. 15 staff.
So all
boys and girls.
all boys and girls, total 15 staff.
15.
So 15 staff
All together.
totally.
Now the police told me they are together 16 who are brought in.
Okay. So everybody are in the ICU now.
They were in the
Which hospital?
This Gokhale's hospital, as you can see behind me.
You have already complained?
Complaint registered?
Yes, I complained in the Kalangut police station.